Good morning, everyone. It is Julie here with your Wednesday morning stock market news. We're getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you all had a fun and safe 4th of July and everyone still has all 10 fingers. We are kicking off the second half of this week with just 3 days till the weekend, so a nice short week for everyone. And of course, we're going to be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not much for earnings reports today, but we will see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. And we are in the final hours for TipRank's 40% off sale if you're wanting to unlock some fantastic research tools. Links are in the description down below. Plus, premium and ultimate subscribers can also get 50% off a newsletter of their choice. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. This morning, U.S. stock futures are in the red. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.49%, S&P 500 futures down 0.52%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.62%. Rivian Automotive is continuing its rally after delivery numbers on Monday. This time, the company announced the delivery of their electric vehicles in Europe. They will be deploying their first European vans from the company in Germany over the coming weeks as part of their long-term plans to electrify their transportation network. Amazon said 300 electric Rivian vans will take to the roads in Munich, Berlin, and Dusseldorf regions. The vans are part of the 100,000 vehicle order made by Amazon back in 2019. Analysts currently rate the Rivian stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 12% and a range of ratings coming in just today. Amazon and Microsoft are the latest tech companies that could face some headwinds as far as U.S. regulations regarding China. The Wall Street Journal reported that the Biden administration is set to restrict access to Chinese companies using U.S. cloud computing services. This could mean that tech giants like Amazon and Microsoft will require U.S. government permission to provide services using AI chips to Chinese customers. The U.S. has tried to curtail Beijing's advancement into cutting-edge fields like AI and how the Chinese government may use the technology to bolster its influence around the world. This closely follows restrictions on chips as well. Analysts currently rate the Microsoft stock a strong buy with a slight upside of 3%, while the Amazon stock is also rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 8%. Shares of UPS are slightly in the red this morning after their workers' union said that talks regarding labor deals have collapsed. The International Brotherhood of Teamsters put out a statement saying that UPS had walked away from talks after making an unacceptable offer. UPS countered with their own statement saying they haven't walked away and that they are proud of the offer it made. The company asked the union to return to the negotiating table. Last month, UPS workers had voted to authorize a strike if negotiations for a new agreement for drivers and warehouse workers failed. They said they would refuse to work after the current deal ends on July 31st. The UPS stock is currently rated a moderate buy with a pretty flat price target. And America Equity Investment Life has accepted the $4.3 billion takeover offer from Brookfield Reinsurance. Brookfield Reinsurance had announced their offer last Tuesday with a $55 per share offer. The stock saw some big jumps up to above $50 following that. Under the terms of their deal, AEL has agreed to suspend the payment of dividends on their common stock through the closing of the transaction. The deal is expected to close in the first half of 2024. Now, as I said, there is nothing really on the earnings calendar today, so let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are Wolfspeed after they received a $2 billion deposit on a 10-year silicon carbide wafer deal. Trading under the ticker WOLF, their stock is up 16.5%. They're followed by MP Materials Corp. Under MP, up over 10%, and Livewire Group under LVWR, up 7.7%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by OI Glass. They seem to be cooling off from some big gains prior, as I wasn't able to find any negative news this morning. Trading under the ticker OI, the stock is currently down 17.85%. They're followed by BorgWarner under BWA, down 11.8%, and Neogen under NEOG, down 10.76%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday morning's stock market news. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.